Welcome to week 5. Last week in week 4, we looked at the components of the computer and how they work. We also discussed cloud computing and how data is represented. Your book talks about your data being represented in ones and zeros. Think of an on and off switch. When you press the 1, that turns it on, and when you press the 0, that turns it off. So we'll address that a little bit more later. But this week we're going to look at chapter 7 and 8. I call chapter 7 the What is Trending chapter. And the reason I do that is because we're now going to start talking about the newest forms of technology. What's out there? What's updated? Do we have the all-in-ones? Do we have the notepads? Do we have iPads? So all of that is our new technology. And so we're going to look at all of this equipment and see what each purpose serves. Some of you may think that a tablet will serve the same purpose as an iPhone or vice versa. So in this chapter, we're going to address some of those questions you may have. So one thing I want you to do is keep in mind that newer does not mean better. Sometimes people think that buying the newest form of technology is the best form of technology. That is not the case. Chapter 8, we talk about preserving media and discuss cloud computing a bit more. We look at the advantages and disadvantages of storage and how memory works. What happens with storage and memory? What is the difference between the two? You'll see something in your text that talks about storage versus memory. So we'll get into talking about random access memory so you can kind of understand what random access memory is. And back in chapter 6, we had discussed flash memory. So we're going to also revisit that again in chapter 8 to kind of see how flash memory ties into this piece of the puzzle of preserving the media. So with that being said, I will see you in the classroom. Welcome to week 5.